In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Argos live chat support. If you need quick help with an order, delivery, returns, or product questions, Argos's live chat is the fastest way to reach a real person. All you need is an internet connection, and if you have one, your order number for reference. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Argos card. From the results, open the official Argos website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Argos homepage with the search bar and shopping categories. Once you're there, look for the help link, usually at the top of the page. Click help to go to the support area. On the help page, find and select contact us. This takes you to the main customer service options. Here, look for the chat now button. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little. It may appear in a panel or pop up at the bottom of the page. Note that Chat Now is typically available during operating hours, so if the button is grayed out, try again a bit later or refresh the page. When the chat window opens, you'll be asked for a few details to get started. First, type your first name. This helps the advisor address you properly and link the conversation to your case. Click Continue. Next, enter your email address. This is used to send a transcript of the conversation or follow up if the chat disconnects. Check for typos so you don't miss any updates, then click Continue again. You'll now see a message box. In this box, briefly explain your concern and click Send. Be clear and specific. For example, mention your order number, item name, and any relevant dates. Keep personal data safe. Never share full payment details or passwords. If you have screenshots or links that explain the issue, reference them in your message. Your advisor will let you know the best way to provide supporting information. Keep the chat window open while you wait. If you navigate away or close the tab, the session may end. If the queue is busy, stay patient. You'll see updates as you move forward. Once connected, follow the advisor's guidance. You can ask for a transcript at the end, or it may arrive automatically at the email you provided. And that's it. You've successfully reached Argos live chat support. From the homepage to sending your first message. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your chat.